We have here a sleeping Basenji. But I think it's time to go out back. Who wants to go out back? Here she comes, watch. Ah, she didn't do it. Okay, I thought she was gonna do this. But that's okay, she doesn't always do that, so here we go. Let's go outside. Woo! How's everybody doing today? It's another warm one out here. Only 87 today, so not too bad. Not terrible yet. 87 degrees. It's not into the 90s yet, but it is definitely a bright, sunshiny day. And that palm frond is gonna fall and come crashing down to the ground. Hey, Zulu. What's up, girl? Time for some sunbathing? Yeah. Basenji, Ray, what you doing? Whew. It's hot out here, huh, Zoo? It's definitely hot. Wow. I think I've had enough. I don't know about you guys, but I'm going inside. Whew. That is enough heat for one day, at least for the moment. Well, we'll leave them to finish their sunbathing. Too hot for the human. Yep, they're done their sunbathing. So she's back inside over here on the bed and cooling off. And this one's over here in my chair. Looking kind of guilty at the moment. It's okay though. I'm not gonna move you out of my chair this time. Okay? All right, we got two scared Basenjis because it's a little bit rainy and a little bit stormy out here. But they wanted to come out one more time before the rain comes. We're definitely that time of year when the afternoon storms are coming in. A little bit of lightning, a little bit of rain. You can see it on the pool here. Yeah, it's raining. We got dogs outside. Woo, it's windy too. Wow. Nice. Woo, thunder. And it still says 91 outside, but it does not feel 91 right now. It feels a lot nicer. The rain coming down makes it feel cooler, much nicer. But I think these two are ready to go inside. Come on, guys. There you go. Oh, here it comes. Get those guys inside. Whew. We'll hang out here for just another minute. It is coming down now. Wow. Oh boy. Just enjoy a moment of the storm with me here. Until I start getting wet, and then I'll have to go in. Oh, it's cold rain too. Wow. Man, that rain is coming down. Oh, it's cold. Oh well. Not so bad if I stand over here in the corner. Wow. That's some stormy weather right there, huh? Oh my goodness. All the dead leaves are flying off the trees. The birds are freaking out. They're like, where do we go? All right, time to go in. It's coming down really bad now. Wow. Oh, time to look out the back window instead. It is just coming down out there. Wow. All right. Well, that's enough. We've got Zulu over here relaxing, and Mr. Basenji. Hey, buddy. Almost dinner time, right? Not quite yet. Yeah, while we're at it, let's go see what's going on out front. And it's probably less likely to get wet out this way, but let's see what's going on out here. Woo! Doesn't look quite so dramatic out here. Not at all. Oh. All right, and as I'm editing this video, I look down and there's little Miss Zulu. She just finished her dinner and came back in to say hi. One last time. Right, Zulu? Yeah? Right? All right. Say, we'll see you guys in the next video, right? High five. No? Well, I tried. All right, guys. See you in the next one.